Tipsters. So, I wanted to go over the caption and the picture that interested me. So, the one that interested me was the one about the Olympics. I love the Olympics. I love been loving the Olympics since I was a kid, about y'all's age when I first recognized it. And I had no idea that its origin was from trying to make Zeus happy. Like, basically, that's what I got from it, was that they created it for Zeus, to entertain Zeus. So I had no idea. And it's crazy to me because I think about it and I'm just like, man, like something so long ago, it's influencing us even today. Because this year we were supposed to have an Olympics in the summer. And so, like, it's still like affecting us today. It's still influencing us today. And I think that's crazy how something so long ago can do that. And so that's what I want you to think about when you're doing your exit ticket. I want you to tell me ways that ancient Greek culture has influenced your life today. I mean, it could be from, you can tell me using one of the pictures that you saw. Maybe you can have your parents help you Google something that Greek culture has influenced today and how it affects you. Um, but that's your exit ticket. I want you to really think about how Greek culture has influenced us today and in our present lives, in our modern day lives, all right? So remember to think about it, write it down, and then type it, okay? I will see y'all next time. Bye.